Mayamang buhay sa ating lahat. Ito po yung aking promise sa inyo na i-review din natin na book. Ang author po ay tatlong magagaling na mga masters ng success. This is titled Life-Changing Secrets. Ang mga sikreto po ng mayayaman na mga tao ay nandito po, and this book sold 100 million copies in 2014. Ang tatlong authors po na kinompile dito ay si Napoleon Hill, who was the author of Think and Grow Rich, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Morphy, and Public Speaking and Influencing People by Dale Carnegie. But if you have the time, you can also pick this book and review with me. Thank you for subscribing. Do go to the long versions